Saudi Arabia, for the first time, unveiled a great secret that exists inside the Kaaba and revealed what azim miracle was hidden behind the walls of this sacred house. The story goes like this. In the heart of the most sacred building on earth, the place where Arabs and people from all over the world come to worship, there was a 1,000-year-old secret hidden there. Such a secret that remained concealed from everyone's eyes for centuries. Many years ago, due to certain reasons, the authorities of Saudi Arabia carried out an excavation beneath the Kaaba. During this excavation, an ancient and sealed chest was recovered from beneath the Kaaba. But the question is, what was inside that chest after all? The Kaaba is the first house that was built on earth for the worship of Allah Almighty. This sacred place is the Qibla of all Muslims and the most precious spiritual asset for Muslims. Over all these years, millions of Muslims from around the world have continued to come toward the Kaaba to perform Hajj. This is the place where the black stone, Hajar al-Aswad, and the station of Prophet Ibrahim, peace be upon him, are also present. But there is one important question upon which very few Muslims have reflected. What is actually inside the Kaaba itself? What hidden secrets are inside the Kaaba that very few people know about? Recently, Saudi Arabia has unveiled some astonishing facts that have certainly left all of us in amazement. The Kaaba is a place that has remained extremely sacred for Muslims for years, and it holds a special greatness and majesty in the hearts of people all over the world. This place is not only spiritually significant, but is also very valuable in material terms. For example, the door of the Kaaba is not an ordinary door. Rather, it is made of pure gold, and its weight is approximately 280 kilograms. This door is located on the eastern side of the Kaaba and is about 2 meters above ground level. Its length is approximately 3 meters, and its width is about 170 centimeters. When a person enters through this door, he steps into a world that is filled with spirituality and unparalleled beauty. When someone steps inside the Kaaba, an extremely pleasant and enchanting fragrance welcomes him. This fragrance is made from a blend of musk and amber, which is used generously to keep the Kaaba clean and pure. Because of this, the atmosphere inside always remains fragrant with this scent. Interestingly, the original source of this fragrance is a special and unique chest that is placed in the very center of the Kaaba. This is the same chest with which an astonishing story is associated, which we are going to tell you. The floor of the Kaaba is made of rare white marble, and it is beautifully decorated with fine pieces of black marble. The inner walls of the Kaaba are made of pure marble, and green-colored curtains hang on them, on which verses of the Holy Quran are embroidered with silver threads. These curtains extend up to the ceiling and give the interior environment an extremely spiritual and dignified appearance. Between the 4 walls of the Kaaba, 9 special marble tablets are installed, on which important dates related to the history of the sacred mosque and the stages of construction and renovation are engraved. The roof of the Kaaba rests on wooden pillars that were built approximately 1,350 years ago. These pillars are not made of ordinary wood, rather they have been crafted from one of the rarest and strongest types of wood in the world. This is the reason that this wood has maintained its strength and beauty for centuries. On the right side of the interior of the Kaaba, there is also a small golden door known as Bab al-Tawbah. This door leads to a spiral staircase, at the end of which the path reaches the roof of the Kaaba. Every year, only once, the Kaaba is washed from the inside. This is a highly spiritual and dignified ritual in which the interior of the Kaaba is cleansed with rose water and special cleaning materials. After that, it is fumigated with the finest fragrances, and finally, it is perfumed with a blend of musk and amber. Every year, on the occasion of the day of Arafah, the covering of the Kaaba is replaced and a new one is placed. This covering is made of pure silk and is embroidered with gold and silver threads. But it is also interesting to know that in the past, during the period of rule of Abdullah bin Zubair, a very astonishing incident related to the Kaaba took place. This is the story that unveils the secret of that amazing chest present inside the Kaaba. The incident goes like this. After the martyrdom of Imam Hussein, peace be upon him, disputes and battles between Abdullah bin Zubair and the Umayyad government, which was led by Abdul Malik bin Marwan, intensified. During this turmoil, in the year 73 AH, the Umayyads sent an army under the leadership of Hajjaj bin Yusuf al-Thaqafi to besiege the sacred mosque in Makkah. Hajjaj bin Yusuf carried out an extremely audacious attack and targeted the Kaaba itself. Stones and fire were hurled using catapults, as a result of which the Kaaba suffered severe damage. After the siege ended, Hajjaj bin Yusuf decided that the Kaaba should be demolished and rebuilt again, and that its construction should be done according to the same design and foundations that Prophet Ibrahim, peace be upon him, had established. But during the demolition and reconstruction of the Kaaba, a very great miracle occurred that astonished everyone. When the workers were removing a part of the inner wall of the Kaaba, an ancient and sealed chest appeared before them. This chest had been placed very carefully inside the wall of the Kaaba and had remained completely preserved in a secure manner for centuries. When this chest was opened, black stones were found inside it, which were said to be remnants of the oldest construction of the Kaaba. In addition to this, some written fragments and papers were also found, on which writing was done in an extremely ancient script. It is said that these were very old historical documents and notes related to the Kaaba. In some narrations, it is even stated that original parts of the black stone, Hajar al-Aswad, were also present inside this chest. These were extremely sacred pieces that were placed there with great respect and protection. But the events and miracles of the Kaaba do not end here. It is said that on the occasion of the conquest of Makkah, the messenger of God also encountered a hidden treasure inside the Kaaba that had been concealed there for many years. In the year 8 Hijri, when the messenger of God entered Makkah in a victorious manner, he obtained the key of the Kaaba, which was in the possession of the family of Bani Shayba, and for the first time in Islamic history, the door of the Kaaba was opened. When the messenger of God entered the Kaaba, he saw that idols and statues were placed there, which the ignorant Arabs used to worship. There was even a large idol present that was known by the name of Prophet Ibrahim, peace be upon him, and arrows were placed in its hands so that divination could be performed. Upon seeing this scene, the messenger of God, peace be upon him, became angry and said that may Allah destroy them, because Prophet Ibrahim, peace be upon him, never used to do such things. After this, the messenger of God, along with his companions, removed all these idols from the Kaaba and purified it completely. During this time, the companions also discovered the presence of a hidden treasure inside the Kaaba. This treasure consisted of gold and other valuable items, which had been hidden deep inside the Kaaba during the era of the ignorant Arabs. But the reaction of the messenger of God was astonishing. He did not keep this wealth for himself. Rather, all of this wealth was left there for the service of the Kaaba and for its reconstruction. In the same way, this treasure and that secret chest remained preserved inside the Kaaba for centuries. At times, during the reconstruction or renovation of the Kaaba, some part of it was also used. This fact and story is an authentic incident that is recorded in Arabic historical books such as Tarikh al-Tabari, and it tells that there was a hidden treasure in the heart of the Kaaba from the time of ignorance. Thank you very much for watching this video till the end. To make this channel better, write your valuable opinions in the comments and share this video with your friends. Subscribe to this channel and also press the bell icon and click on all notifications so that you may receive timely notifications of every new video that we upload. We will meet in the next video. Until then, please allow us to take our leave. Goodbye.